Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad Kisangma ula pentip hapo ka Meghalaya Sports Conclave kabalong arsngi ba ka Jinken Show Kajela hagi ka ïalehkai kadai kabala yalam da ka thong ba khamiyar kata bantai ya ka jinglong bat ka kabu na ka banta kisamla amtang banilek banyo ya kita kema bapai sa kasamoy traikam sorkar na du usnam arajar khatpra Conrad ula ong bak sorkar kelas dang ya kasamoy traikam da ka jingmat ya bun ba ki jinge ray Kelajiat ban pai kmat sya ki kabu ha kini ki jing ula ong ru ba jing temu kalong ban pen kala bat pen bek thamai ya ladi bat ban yalam yangi sya kata ka thong bat ke jing yo i jingai ka ba ngidon ya ki ba ngilabu ba ha kini ki khatsan snam ban wan ngin sapoi syakliar jong ka thong ka ba kilabu bat amdei ban supen chong nongrim tang ha ka jing job i kita kama ula panisno i ki thong jongki Bat kajing persang, ha kaput katem, kajing nang tray kikam beper, bat kasengkam sengjam.
Let's give you applause, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep the applause and the encouragement going as loud as possible.
It's given me immense pleasure to welcome you to the Meghalaya Sports Conclave 2026. Today is not just another conference on sports. It is a gathering of ideas, innovation and commitment at a time when Meghalaya stands on the threshold of history. In less than a year, our state will proudly host the national game. This is more than a sporting event. It is an opportunity to showcase our Meghalaya hospitality, culture, infrastructure, talent and aspiration before the entire nation. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Conrad sport has emerged as one of the key pillars of Meghalaya development journey. Over the past few years, we have witnessed unprecedented investment in sport infrastructure, athlete development, grassroots programs and youth development. Today, Meghalaya is increasingly being recognized as a sporting state with immense potential. The theme of this conclave, Ideas, Innovation and Impact, is especially relevant as we prepare for the national games and chart the future of sports in our state. Throughout today's discussion, we will deliberate on three critical areas. First, sport governance, how we can build policies that are athlete-centric, transparent, accountable, and responsive to the needs of modern sport. Second, innovation and digital transformation, how technology, data, analytics, sport science, and public-private partnership can improve performance, infrastructure management, and athlete welfare. Third, holistic athletic development, because champions are not built only through training. They require quality coaching, education, nutrition, mental well-being support, career guidance, and nurturing ecosystem. I am particularly pleased that some of India's finest sporting minds and accomplished athletes are joining us today. Third, their experience from the Olympic stage, international competition and sport in administration will provide valuable insight that can help shape Meghalaya's sporting future.
In 2018, when we started our journey with an objective to take our state forward, there were many challenges that were there in front of us. And while we looked at those challenges and difficulties, we also realized that there are opportunities in those challenges. We realized that there were structural challenges and basic aspects of governance, capacity building, a vision, a direction, a goal. And therefore, this entire journey of trying to really restructure and reposition ourselves and take us towards that goal and vision that we have, which we envisioned that it would be in the next maybe 15 years' time, we'll get there. This long journey started for us. And out of the many, many challenges we saw and the opportunities that came out of those challenges, we realized that the youth of our state is at the center and at the heart of what we want to achieve. And that's how our journey for sports began. It's not just about medals. Obviously, we all want medals. We wish to see that we win medals in games. That is obviously the ultimate objective. But for us as a government and for me as Chief Minister, every citizen and every youth is important when I create a policy. And therefore, making sports a part of every youth's life. And maybe some will be able to achieve the goal of getting medals at the national and hopefully at the international level also. I think from the larger perspective, what is important is to be able to make sports a way of life and to ensure that sports helps us shape the future and shape the overall character of every single youth of our state. So therefore, sports plays a very crucial role for us as a government. And we realized that our decisions cannot and must not be simply based on only one aspect of winning a medal. Vishnay Kurba is here. He is the first one to get the official appointment letter based on our policy that we have created. But it is not that appointment letter alone that can lead us to winning the medals or in fact taking the sports ecosystem forward. That is only the last point or one of the final achievements or goals that maybe the sports person may have. But there is a lot of work that needs to go into creating what we are trying to do. And therefore, it was important for us, as I said, that our policies, our decisions were guided by the youth in front of us.